In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Facebook account without logging in. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, we all know how intertwined our lives have become with social media, and sometimes that means you might want to take a step back from platforms like Facebook. It can feel overwhelming, especially if you forgot your login details. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step. First things first, you need to start by accessing the Facebook Help Center. You can do this using any web browser. Just type Facebook Help Center into your search engine and click on the first result that appears. This will take you to a comprehensive page dedicated to assisting Facebook users with various issues. Once you're on the Help Center page, look for the navigation panel. This is usually located on the left side of your screen. You'll want to click on Help Center to dive deeper into the support options available to you. Next, scroll down to find the option labeled Reporting. When you click on this, it will lead you to a drop-down menu with several options. Here, what you're looking for is to select Reporting Abuse. This will provide a range of options specifically related to problems users may encounter on the platform. From the options presented, click on Imposter Accounts. This takes you to another section dedicated to cases related to fake accounts that could be infringing on your name or identity. Once you're there, you'll see a section titled Report a Facebook Profile or Page Pretending to be You or Someone Else. Click on that to proceed. On this page, you'll need to find a link that says, Fill out this contact form. This might require some scrolling down until you reach the end of the information provided. Now here, you will want to select the option that says, Someone created an account pretending to be me or a friend. This is crucial because it allows Facebook to understand that you're looking to take action against a false account. You'll then get to a part where you need to select your situation. This part is particularly important, so make sure to indicate that you do not have a Facebook account. This clarifies to the team that your request relates to an impersonation issue rather than general reporting. After that, you'll need to select another situation. This time, confirm that yes, you are being impersonated. This step is crucial as it leads to the specific action needed to address the problem. Now, Facebook will require you to fill in your details to confirm that it really is you. Ensure that your full name matches the identification you're going to upload later. Consistency here is key to validating your request. Next, you will be prompted to upload a clear image file of your ID or IDs. The more forms of identification you can provide, the better. This aids the Facebook team in processing your request and confirming that you are who you say you are. Once everything is filled out and your identification is uploaded, click on Send. This will submit your form to the Facebook team, and they will start processing your request. Lastly, you can expect to receive an email notification regarding the status of your account deletion. This email will detail what happens next, so keep an eye on your inbox as you wait for their response. There you have it. That's how you can delete your Facebook account without even logging in. It might seem like a tedious process, but as you go through these steps, just remember that it's all about ensuring the safety and authenticity of online identities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck.